Have you ever heard in the property market there is a saying, the smart investors don't wait for the right time, instead they create it. And today I am here with one such opportunity for you which perfectly defines it. Presenting the plot number B247 of sector 22D Yeda. Welcome back to day 10 of 60 days property insight series exclusively published by SBP Group of Real Estates. I am Kajal Gaur, your guide to make your investment journey a piece of cake. Now let's decode this deal. This plot number B247 is a 120 square meters southeast facing registered plot in the general category, potentially sized for residential developments, and the price is just rupees 1.20 crores. This is what I call an early access to a premium growth zone. Now let's talk about why this matters beyond the location. Actually, the property market is shifting. Earlier, investors used to look only at the prime areas like Noida or Gurugram. But now, in the last few years, the growth curve and the development curve of the properties has massively moved towards Yamuna Expressway belt, and this sector 22D is also enjoying that wave of transition. Now let me tell you some reasons why this drive of property towards Yamuna Expressway area. The first reason is scarcity of lands, because there is no space left for new development projects in the already established zones. Also, the second reason is Yeda's clear title. Authority planned and infrastructure ready plots are there. And the third reason is the master plan for 2041, which majorly focuses on balanced urban and industrial development, ensuring a long-term sustainability, we can say. And this is why the plots like B247 are becoming the new favorites among the investors who want growth, security and documentation clarity at the same place. And being a southeast facing plot, it is directionally aligned with morning sunlight. So if you are planning to build your dream home over there, then trust me, you are going to love that part of your home. And what I think is, while the people wait for the perfect property boom, the ones who are investing already in the authority planned zones are already sitting on tomorrow's appreciation, that also beforehand. So if you have been searching for a property which is legal, documented and future ready with so much planned infrastructure, then B247 is your answer. And being your guide in the journey of finding the perfect opportunity for you, I want to remind you that lands don't wait and opportunities don't knock twice for anybody. So please make your move before this deal becomes someone else's success story, and for that you have to reach out to the contact number given on the screen of SBP Group of Real Estates, and then we will be connecting further for more details regarding the property. So this was all for day 10, and tomorrow we'll be meeting again with another opportunity. Till then, stay tuned, stay connected and stay smart. And please remember that opportunities don't knock twice.